Smile. The best looking people always tune in. Hold still, I can't miss this shot.
Welcome bees. Welcome to Queen's channel. Here, motivation and creativity collide. Whether you love fashion, fitness, poetry, sewing or cooking, you'll find inspiration. Let's learn and grow together. Thank you for joining this adventure.
Hi besties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Black_Queen21 IG. That's Black with 2 C's, no K, I don't game, make I'm a crochet, can't play, but I'm just trying to work, can't because I have to go to sleep and out. Today is going to be hiking, where we're gonna hit the stairs again. Yes, but this time I'm bringing my little baby, my baby bird, okay? It's her first time here. She's already still a little bit frightened. I had my ceiling open and she was like gibbery, so I had to close it. But honey, she's gonna have to get over her scaredom because she needs some TLC, honey, just like her mommy. But yeah, we went and had a coffee stop first, which she was super scared in a coffee shop. Like, come on, girl, please. Like, her mouth is just like, she's like, come on, girl. I would think that you would not want to stay in the house all day and, like, come with me. So, she'll get used to it. She'll get used to it. But it's just sad seeing her. She's just, like, so scared of the world. I know you should be scared. If I left you by yourself and you out flying around, you should be scared. But when you with me, you should not be scared. Nothing's going to happen to you. But, yeah, I brought my little headset. I'm going to take her with me. We're going to hit the stairs up and down. But this time we're starting up first, okay? So, we're going to walk, get a little walk in, go up the stairs. I think I'm gonna walk up there too, just to get a little bit more walking, and then we're gonna go down the stairs, and that's gonna be it. So hopefully she's not too scared. Usually I do it twice, up and down, so 4 times total, but we're just gonna do 2 times total today. So yeah, I'm already sweating because it's so hot outside, and I got this jacket on, but I also got a tube top on. So I don't want the goodies to just be like, because I need to wash for my gym clothes. I need to wash. I'm going to wash it tomorrow. Yes. And yeah, I'm thinking about getting my other businesses back up and running. We'll see. It's because I'm trying to do so much stuff at the same time. And I'm just like really for the next upcoming weeks, I'm really going to be focused on a certain thing right now, which you guys will soon know about. And I'm like, there's something coming, but yeah, let me show you my baby. She is so scared. You can see her mouth moving. She's like, girl, get me the freak out of here, get me the freak out of here, get me the freak out of here, get me the freak out of here. She is so scared, honey. You gotta get over it. You gotta get over it. At first she was scared of the seatbelt, but she's starting to get used to it. She kind of got scared when I unhooked it the last time, but I don't want to go too fast because she gets scared. She's not as scared, but see, you see? Oh my goodness, this is how scared she is. Look at that. Ain't that crazy? Flexing her wings out. Ooh, she mad at me. All right, girl, we're going on this walk. I ain't got time for this. Girl, you need to suck it up, put on your big panties, okay? And let's go, honey. We gotta go, baby.